guys, welcome back to my channel and my name is Nidhi and today I'm going to be making the Russian salad with my younger brother Danush as an assistant.
Ta-da!
So this salad requires few ingredients and I'm going to be using
Carrots,
tomatoes and cucumbers. You can also add some other veggies as per your taste, but remember to add only those which can be eaten raw. So Tanush, will you help me mix all these ingredients?
Yes.
Okay, so first we're going to put the carrots in there.
So,
bam.
And then tomatoes. And then,
Okay, wait, there's a little there.
yeah. And then cucumbers. So,
Okay, so the next things we're gonna add is mayonnaise, pepper, and salt. So before adding any of these, mix it well. Mix, mix, mix.
mix, mix, mix. Now it's almost mixed. No.
Not properly mixed.
Yeah.
Okay, now let me do the pepper.
Yeah.
Oops.
Nice. Now salt. Yes. And then mayo. I'll put the mayo.
Careful.
Be careful with the salt.
I think that's enough. And last but not least, mayonnaise. First, add little amount, mix it, and then check if it's okay for you. Okay, wait, that's too little.
Yeah. Let's add more. And then that's it. Let's put it all over. Let's now mix.
Mix, mix. Boing. Okay, wait, let me mix.
Okay.
Okay, our Russian salad is gonna be ready in a few minutes or even seconds. Okay, a little bit more and then we're gonna be done.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess
Yeah.
that's it.
Just like a munching when you
Okay,
Nice.
just a teeny tiny bit more
Yeah.
because it's like
How many times are you using?
too basic.
Oh my god, you're using a lot.
And that's like when it's spread out. Okay, you have a go at mixing now.
Okay. Dun. Mixing.
Okay, I guess that's done.
Yeah.
How do you think?
It looks so delicious.
Okay, so we both have to gobble it up,
Yeah.
right?
Right now.
Okay, so before we go, let me remind you to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you already haven't. And please try this salad recipe, and I'm sure you're gonna like it, right?
Yeah. And click the bell icon. So, bye.